restoration project. On this episode today we're going to be concentrating on stripping down the top part of the bike, so all the grips, the throttle, all the electrics, the speedo, the actual handlebars themselves, levers. So we'll crack some tools out and we'll see how far we get. Alright, so we have a little closer look at what we're going to be doing today. So what we have here is just got a simple grip, got the high-low, you've got the flasher, turn signals, horn, clutch lever. On the other side we have the throttle, front brake, engine stop, engine start, and the lights on off. We also have the brake reservoir, actual handlebars itself, speedo with turn signal, high beam and neutral light. If we go around the front, we've got the indicators both sides. Obviously we've got the speedo drive cable, we have the hydraulic pipe for the front brake, we have the throttle cable. Over this side we have the that'll be the, I believe that's a choke cable. Got the clutch cable there, and we've got some wiring loom as well, which looks like it comes down into this main control box, which is situated behind the headlight. So what we got here is a Phillips screwdriver head, and we've got one missing that side. So we'll get a Phillips screwdriver, take that apart, and we'll see what's inside. Right, we've removed the cover, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to remove the speedo cable. Again, it's only just a twist on, so we'll remove that now. Pull that out, move that out of the way for the moment. So here we have a bundle of wires. Obviously everything goes to something, so what we need to do is pull all this out and have a look and see where it runs off to. Looks like this one here, then they just plug straight into a plug, which is fantastic. So I can just unplug that, that runs up to that one. We've got one. Now this one's more interesting because this actually runs inside. See in there, runs inside the headlight. So the right hand side throttle is going to be a little bit more difficult to work out what's going on. So, and then what we've got some wires which just run straight up to the speedo. Okay, no problem. We'll unplug that. We can undo these two. Looks like they are terminals, and we should be able to remove this complete assembly in one hit. Okay, well, grab some tools and we'll do it. Right, so the speedo cable, so these obviously to the switches, just a standard plug. Can't actually see that, can you? So there's the plug we're going to be removing there. There's the plug undone. It also looks like we have some other bits and pieces running up here. So we've got wires for the indicators, which are that one there and that one there. I believe this one's for the ignition. We'll crack these two 8mm off first, and should be able to get some more room to see what's what. Oh, that's okay, that just lifts straight off, that's fantastic. Right, okay, so the ignition is actually separate to the housing itself. So what we have here is just some more wires. It looks like they're straightforward and colour coded both sides, so they should just pull apart. He says, there you go. And then we have one speedo unit completely removed. Okay, next thing we want to remove is the ignition barrel. Again, it is wires that are just pushed together. We've got an actual connector down here as well we need to remove. So just let you have a closer look at that. So we have 1, 2, 3. Again, they're all colour coded, so that's fine. And then we have a main plug there. So we'll remove this plug first. There's a plug. So 1. That's a bit tight. 2. And 3. Okay, that's the wires and everything off it. We've got 2 Phillips screws, one there, one there. Again, they seem to be coming apart quite easily at the moment, which I'm happy about. And that is your ignition all off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the screws. So again, we don't lose them and we know where they're going. Right, and that gives us access to the actual indicators. So all we have is one indicator, 2 indicators, and here are the wires for it. Looks like they are linked via 1 and off to 2. So we'll pull that apart. 1, 2. Right, there are your 2 indicator wires released. So looks like it could well be an 18mm. Let's try 17. Okay, we've got a 17mm. And again, that's done really easily. Feed the wires through, and again we'll put the nut on the end just to make sure that we don't lose it. And we do the other side. your indicators.